Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Lawson, your teacher from Trinity International School. Today we'll be learning chapter 18, Birds on Wings. Birds on Wings. So use the clue given in the help box and name the birds. The first one is parrot. Second is peacock. Write down the answers. Third is crow. Fourth is vulture. Fifth is owl. Sixth is penguin, seventh is swan, and eighth is dove. We go to the page, chapter number 19. Animal kingdom. Match the animals to the method of travel. Circle the creature that fly in red. अभी जो उड़ते हैं उनको आपको रेड कलर में सर्कल करना है. Those that walk in blue. जो एनिमल्स चलते हैं they walk, आपको उनको ब्लू कलर करना है. And those that swim, उनको आपको ग्रीन कलर करना है. ओके जैसे कि स्पैरो जो है उड़ता है, सो यू हैव टू सर्कल विथ रेड कलर. देन गोट वॉकिंग करता है, राइट, तो यू हैव टू सर्कल विथ ब्लू कलर. फिश क्या करता है, स्विम करता है, सो यू हैव टू सर्कल विथ ब्लू कलर. ओके नाउ ऑक्टोपस स्विम करता है तो ग्रीन कलर. मॉस्किटो फ्लाई करता है सो रेड कलर. रैट चलता है इसलिए ब्लू कलर. Okay, again the deer you have to put the blue color. Fish को green color और walk करता है lion इसीलिए blue color. Spider walks so put a blue color. Eagle flies so put a red color. Ant also walks so put a red color, or sorry you can put a this blue color. बैट क्या करता है, उड़ता है, इट फ्लाइज सो पुट अ रेड कलर. जेलीफिश व्हाट इट डज, सॉरी ऑक्टोपस व्हाट इट डज, इट स्विम्स सो पुट अ ग्रीन कलर. पेंगुइन वॉक्स सो पुट अ ब्लू कलर. देन विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Read the clues given below, guess their names of the animals, then try to find them in the word grid given below. So now here there are some questions given here. An animal that gives us milk is cow, C-O-W, cow. The young one of this animal is called a kid, that is goat, G-O-A-T, goat. The animal has the longest neck, that is giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Then the animal is called the king of the jungle, that is lion, L-I-O-N, lion. The bird that dances in rain is peacock. The animal with the black and white stripes that looks like a horse, that is zebra. The fastest running animal, that is cheetah. An animal that carries its young one in a pouch is kangaroo. तो ये जो भी आंसर्स हमने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, that you have to find in this grid and you have to circle. जैसे कि you can see here kangaroo का spelling K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo, right? Then there is a peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. So same way you have to find the animal's name and then circle it, L-I-O-N, lion. Okay, like this you have to search. G-O-A-T, goat. Then we'll go to the next page. In the page number chapter number 20, in the garden. Read the clues to write the names of this insect. I like to live in a dirty place, that is cockroach. I like to live in a dirty place, that is cockroach. Second is I jump around in the grass, that is grasshopper. Third, I disturb your sleep at night and sometimes my bite can make you sick, that is mosquito. Fourth, I carry a light with me and you can see me in the dark, that is firefly. My wings are beautiful colors. My wings are of beautiful colors, that is butterfly. I sit on your food and make it dirty, that is housefly. Now we go to the chapter number 21. Feed them. Match our hungry friends with the food they like to eat. अभी ये जो हंग्री फ्रेंड्स है सारे एनिमल्स हैं, इनके फेवरेट फ्रूट्स को आपको क्या करना है, मैच करना है. जैसे कि मंकी लाइक्स टू ईट बनाना, देन cow likes to eat grass and leaves. Dog likes to eat bone, so मैच करो bone के साथ. Rabbit likes to eat carrots. ऐसे सारे एनिमल्स को उनके फेवरेट चीज़ों को मैच करना है. Squirrel likes to eat nuts. Okay. Then we go to the page number 22. Leave me home. The following animals have lost their way. अभी कुछ animals है who have lost their way. Find the correct way to their homes and also write the name of their homes. Use different colored pencils to mark the way. So you will use different color pencils as it is indicated. Here you will use green. Here we have to use a red color. Then here black color, pink color. Then on the fifth, yellow color. Okay. So the first one here is first write burrow, BURROW, burrow. Second, behave. Third, web. Fourth, stable. And fifth is nest. Okay, and sixth is den. Write it down here and then match to the colors. Then we'll go to the chapter number 23, up and down with fruits. Read the clues and solve the crosswords. First question is, I have seeds on the outside, that is strawberry. Right, first is strawberry. Second, I am thin and the top of the thick at the bottom, that is pear. Second is pear. Third, I have a sour taste, that is lemon. Third one is lemon. Fourth, I am called the king of fruits, that is mango. Fifth, I am green in color with lots of seeds inside. The fifth one is guava, right? Guava. Sixth, my skin can make someone slip, that is banana, right? Banana on the sixth. Seven, I come in bunch, that is grapes, right? Grapes. Eighth, I in saying eating me every day keeps the doctor away. Eighth, right? Apple. We'll go to the chapter 24. Call of wild. Call of the wild. Match the animals with the sounds they make. Match the animals to the sounds they make. First one is cat. Make cat meow. So match it here. Meow. Second is dog that barks. So match here. Third is donkey breaks. So match here. Fourth, lion roars. So match at last. 5th, snake, hiss, match here. 6th, frog. 6th is frog, croaks, match here. 7th, horse, knees. 8th, bird, chips. Now we'll go to chapter number 25. Thank you, animals. Plants and animals gives us many useful things. Connect the things with the correct source and also with the names of source and things. So the first one here will be, right, cow gives us milk, right? Cow dash milk. Second, you have to write tree, apple, honeybee, honey, sheep, wool, hen, eggs. Now chapter number 26, veggie and fruity plates. Here are some vegetables and fruits which all are mixed up. Write their names of vegetables in green plate and names of fruits in the red plate. नाउ आपको बाकी सारे वेजिटेबल्स के नाम और ग्रीन प्लेट में हम लिखेंगे स्पिनच, कैप्सिकम, ब्रिंजॉल, कॉलीफ्लावर, पम्पकिन, बॉटल गार्ड, कैबेज, लेडीज फिंगर, पीस, कैरेट. And in red plate you have to write banana, pineapple, watermelon, grapes, apple and mango. Here info scoop, sheep to sweater. We know that wool is obtained from sheep. Wool कहाँ से लिया जाता है? Sheep से. Let us know more about the animal sheep and how we get the cozy wool from them. All about the sheep. She is an animal which has a thick coat of fleece on its body. They provide us with meat, leather, clothing, and gives us the raw material for byproducts like soap, glue, etc. They also provide us with milk. However, sheep's milk is different from cow's milk. Sheep are hardy animals. They can live in tough climates like the cold or dry climates and feed on different types of grass. They move around in large groups like flock. The female sheep is called an ewe. The young are called lambs and the male is called the ram. Do you know what kind of sound the sheep makes? Yes, it says ba ba or blit. So getting wool from a sheep during the spring season, the sheep are shorn. This means that their fleece are shaved off. Spring is chosen because it is no longer cold and therefore the sheep can do without its fleece, which it needs to keep warm in winter. The fleece has to be removed in one single piece. This requires someone who has the skill to do it. The shearer must also be strong enough to hold the sheep in one place while he is shearing it. A good shearer might take less than 5 minutes to do this. Once the fleece is removed, it is sorted and washed with soap and water. Now the wool is combed and brushed to make it soft and fluffier. A final wash and wool is ready to be dyed and used.